get some Doritos chips.
Doritos chips?
What? Did you guys hear that?
No, that's...
What did it just say?
I swear I just heard it say Doritos chips. Alright, I'm gonna get Doritos chips now.
Push D1 for Snickers.
What?
B9 for Cheez-It. Only 75 cents.
Okay, this is not weird.
Don't forget to get your socks. Everyone needs socks.
What the heck?
This is creepy.
I know. This is our last day here. We're just trying to get something.
I'm gonna get a Snickers then.
Don't
For
get
the last
Snickers.
session.
Why not?
Those are mine. Get out of here, you dummy.
Look at Mike and Ike's then.
Okay. Have fun.
Okay, let's go. This is weird.
Yeah.
Don't leave me.
Why?
You got your change.
Oh. I didn't get nothing.
Oh, okay.
Can I get Pringles?
Here I have Pringles. Yes. Have all the food you want. No Snickers.
What about M&M's?
No. No chocolate.
Reese's Pieces?
You got chocolate. You dump it.
Did it just cause?
No.
How about the mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese. Yeah. You have a microwave?
No.
Well then no.
How about Cheez-Its?
Cheez-It. Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. B9.
Alright.
I'm gonna push B9 for Cheez-It.
I hit B9. It ain't working.
Well then, try B8.
Is there a B8?
You broke me! Ah!
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go.
Run away!